Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make dry gummy bears. First, gather your favorite gummy bears and a suitable drying surface. The goal is to reduce their moisture content, which concentrates their flavor and gives them a chewier texture. This simple method transforms ordinary gummies into a more intense treat, perfect for snacking or adding to desserts. Let's get started on this fun and easy process. To begin, prepare your drying area. Lay out parchment paper on a baking sheet or use a wire rack for optimal airflow. Carefully place your gummy bears in a single layer, making sure there is a small space between each one. This prevents them from sticking together as they dry. A well-ventilated room, away from direct sunlight or humidity, is ideal for this stage. The drying time varies, typically ranging from 24 to 72 hours, based on how firm you want your gummy bears. For consistent drying, gently turn each gummy bear every 12 hours. This ensures all sides are exposed to the air, preventing one side from becoming too hard while the other remains soft. Keep an eye on their texture. They will become noticeably firmer and slightly smaller. Once your gummy bears have reached your desired dryness, store them in an airtight container. This will maintain their new texture and prevent them from reabsorbing moisture. They are now ready to be enjoyed as a super chewy, flavor-packed treat. You can also check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. These dried gummies are perfect for movie nights or as a fun addition to trail mix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.